This is WATERFRED one here again. AdvCash blocked all Nigerian cards, guys, and you guys know, but I found a way out. Now guys, if you don't know what AdvCash is just like PayPal. It is just a payment gateway. It is just like an e-wallet too. I mean, just like PayPal, just like Perfect Money, AdvCash is wonderful, and I've been using them for like 3 years now. They've not failed me in any way, and it is widely used and accepted. But all of a sudden, they just woke up one day and all Nigerian cards stopped going. Because why? I think the C.B.N is trying to regulate every single method that tries to convert the naira to dollar. Now guys, one of the ways you're going to be using AdvCash is what? In arbitraging. If you don't know what arbitrage is, it means what? Buying low and selling higher. Now, what I used to do with AdvCash is I'll use my naira card, buy USD, AdvCash USD at bank rate, guys, at bank rate, and I sometimes I use up to 3 or 4 or 5 cards, that's like 100 USD, and I buy AdvCash at bank rate between 398 to 410 or 420. Then I convert that AdvCash to Perfect Money USD, and Perfect Money USD, which they are almost like 1:1 or 1:1 point something, and then resell Perfect Money USD at instant gold at 450 or 470 and above, because Perfect Money. So I always make gain from that. So I talked about it on my channel, and then next, AdvCash blocked all Nigerian cards, and guys, I had to dig deep to find this out. Now, the way we're going to be funding AdvCash right now is no longer with our card. And remember, it doesn't mean that the card will not go, because when they open it, they might not give an official announcement. So you might just keep trying. One day your card will go. But remember, you need to verify yourself with your international passport or driver license and NEPA bill to have full access on AdvCash. Now guys, what we're going to be doing is we are going to be funding AdvCash with bank transfer, but it is not Nigerian bank transfer. It is not Naira bank transfer. What we'll be doing, we'll be using SEPA. SEPA means single euro payment area. It is what? Euro to euro. Now, how do we get euros? How do we get euros to transfer to AdvCash? We are going to be using an app or a website called TransferWise.com. Now, TransferWise is going to give you a free euro account in your name, a USD account in your name. I mean, not just any kind of account located maybe in Lithuania, in Belgium, in the US, or pound account. Now you fund your AdvCash, you transfer money from TransferWise to the euro account details of AdvCash, and then you have AdvCash euro. And with that, you can either convert to AdvCash USD, proceed to convert to Perfect Money USD, and then resell for Naira. If you don't get what I mean, or if it's getting confusing, keep on watching. Let me show you what you are supposed to do and get this on the right track, guys. So guys, this is my AdvCash account. Let me refresh it, because we do everything live. And if you look at this, you will see that my account is verified. This is my name, Chukwudi Frederick Nomini, verified. And I would recommend that you get your account verified, because once you are verified, you can easily do lots of things here. Now, if you go to deposit funds, if you click on deposit funds, you see different options to deposit: the Visa, the MasterCard, the SEPA that I just talked about. Now, once you see 3 business days here, you may not take up to that. Sometimes it's usually 1 business day. She say, why am I acting like a gangster? I say, I don't know where you see me with Ashewo. Now, when you want to do it, the minimum you can do via SEPA. In fact, normally if you want to do this through Visa or MasterCard, you can just put, let's say, $10, and then you will see that if you receive $10, you will spend $10.31, which is, their rate is very, very fine. But now, most times, recently this card stopped going, maybe because C.B.N restricted these guys or for any other reason, but they might still open it up anytime. So if you want to spend only $100, you click here, spend. And you say, I want to spend just $10. If you want to spend $10, you get 9.70. So right now, what we're doing today is funding via what? Via SEPA transfer. Now note that you must have to, the minimum you must have to spend for SEPA is 100 USD. So once you put 100 USD there, you come here. If you are yet to register for any of these platforms, for AdvCash or TransferWise, any of these things, the link, I'll put the link to the official website in my description, because it's euro to euro. So you select euro, and then I recommend you put it on receive, and then euro, and you come here and click what. So you are depositing 101 euro, just 1 euro for transfer for the fees, which is very, very amazing, guys. So you click on deposit, and once you click on deposit, now remember, this thing is happening, it's coming out like this for me because I've already set my own well. I've already verified my account and I've passed through the verification stage. If you're doing it for the first time, you have to submit your ID card and a photo of your face and holding your ID card and all that. Now once you are here, you'll be asked for an IBAN number that you'll be transferring the money from. So specify the IBAN number of the account and the purpose of this deposit, the IBAN number of your account. Now you have to now head over to what, TransferWise. This is my TransferWise account, guys. And you know, guys, I talked about TransferWise earlier. These guys are just so amazing because with just $20 deposit, if you just deposit $20.88 with your NAIRA card, they will give you the money you're depositing. Is not for them, it is still your money, but it's just like when you're going to open a bank account and they say bring minimum balance. That money, once you deposit it, you will take it out. Now look, if you look at my transactions, you see I added to the USD balance $20. I paid 20.88. Then I added money again. The rate was so amazing, and I added another $13. Then next I did what, moved it to my euro balance, and I had 33 USD. I moved it to my euro balance, became 26.89. And then next I sent out my money again. You see what I'm talking about? I sent out my money again. If you click it, you see transfer successfully sent. It may take up to 2 business days. So you see what I'm talking about, guys. This thing is live and direct. If you click here, you see I funded what with my card USD. I added. So now back to what we're talking about, guys. If you click on euro, because you'll be making the transfer from this TransferWise to that AdvCash. If you click here, you now click on what, you click on this place, this euro, and you will see your account details. Look at this, guys. This is my name, WATERFRED'S. This is my IBAN number. This BE means what, Belgium. IBAN number, the first 2 digits indicates where the bank is located. BE, Belgium. Look at the name, TransferWise Euro. TransferWise Europe SA Avenue Louis 54 room, this Brussels, Belgium. Yeah, so this is the IBAN number. Same if you click on British pound. If you click here, you will see your British pound account details. This is my British pound. You see Great Britain, this is it. You see United Kingdom. These guys are just so wonderful. Same as USD or Turkish lira. Anyone, look at this. USD is located in the United States, guys. This is my routing number. This is my checking account. You can equally link this USD to PayPal. Yes, guys. So now, without talking much, let us head over to what we were doing before, how to fund AdvCash. This is my IBAN number. So let's copy this, because AdvCash asked the IBAN number that we will be sending the money from. So we put it here. This is my IBAN number. And then to ask you what is the purpose, to purchase goods or services in a store, transfer to a crypto exchange. I recommend you use either transfer to a crypto exchange or you use transfer to AdvCash user, but I recommend transfer to a crypto exchange, or transfer to an exchanger. That would just be nice. Transfer to an exchanger, so your money will not be limited in any way. So just read up all this. The minimum you can transfer is 100, and then 30,000 per year. And I still think if you want more, you can see you can raise the limit by contacting customer support. So now the next thing you do, what is what, click here, select all this. I'm making this payment by myself, and then you click on what, continue. So once you click on continue, they will provide you an invoice, and they will tell you can look at AdvCash account details. They will say you should send look at this, guys. Now this is it. This is the account details of what, TransferWise. The bank name Majestic Financial UAB, the bank address Lutania, AdvCash Limited. This is the IBAN number, this is the Swift code. So this is the account number you transfer that 101 euros to. So the only thing you just do now that you've done this is what, head over to TransferWise, and you do what, you click on send money. This is just very simple. When you click on send money, what you do is what, select euro to what, to euro to euro, and then you select what, 101. When you select 101, you see you're paying 101.92, and you do what should arrive in 2 hours, and you do what you click on what continue. You can see, are you sending this to myself? No, I'm sending to what? To business or charity, or you can use someone else. Okay, let's use business because AdvCash is more of a business. This is their email optional. It is inside Europe, and so they asked of the IBAN number. So what you just do is what? Come here and copy the IBAN number of AdvCash and put it here, and you can see Bank Majestic Financial UAB. Now let us go and confirm if this is truly the bank name of AdvCash. Now look at it, Majestic Financial UAB, and from here when you click on confirm, okay, name of the business. Now the name of the business is what? AdvCash Limited. So when you put it here, AdvCash Limited, next you click on confirm, and then they will bring you to this place. Review your transfer. This is it. This AdvCash USD. This reference. Come here and remember there is a reference. They told you this is the reference. Payment details. Funding of. So copy this reference, and then you put it here and you confirm and continue. So you can see there are different ways to pay. You can pay with debit card or credit card, manual transfer from your bank, ideal, trustee, and this. And the last thing you just do is what you see, the order will arrive in just 2 hours. The next thing you do is what? Select any payment method you want from here and make your payment. Now there are several ways that are used to make this payment via debit card, and this thing works. And if you want to learn that, you can message me on Instagram as WATERFRED1. So once you make your payment, your money is going to land here, and it will land in your euro account. Once it lands in your euro account, you can exchange your currency you can exchange it from euro, and then let's say with the 101, okay, 100, because you're receiving 100, and then select the wallet, put the wallet here. You see, this is it. This is the specific wallet. You are receiving 118 USD. And once you have this, you can now head over to any place. You can see type. There are several people that exchange AdvCash USD to Perfect Money USD. There are tons of exchangers that does that. So once you type that on the internet, you see tons of options for you to exchange your Perfect Money, your AdvCash USD to. There are tons of options to exchange it to exchange your AdvCash USD to Perfect Money USD. Let's say you put AdvCash USD here, 100. You are getting Perfect Money USD at 101. So they are almost 1:1, just like I talked about. And then let us head over to instantgold.ng and see how much that Perfect Money is being sold. Perfect Money is currently sold at 470, guys, 470 naira. I don't know any bank in Nigeria now that can charge you up to 470. But the highest I know so far that charges the most is UBA, which they charge up to 450. Other banks charge between 390 to 420 on the average, guys. So imagine making between 30 to 50 or 70 naira per dollar. You know that it's a hit, guys. So guys, that is it basically for this one. Thanks if you enjoyed this one, and give me a thumbs up if you did. Share this video so other people will learn and make money legitimately. And if you have any questions on how I can teach you the way I arbitrage and other secrets that are not yet well known by many people, you can message me on Instagram as WATERFRED1, and we'll take it off from there. So thanks guys for watching. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want to know the several methods through which I arbitrage, buy low and sell high and all that, or if you don't understand anything on this video, if you want to clear yourself on PayPal or anything related to that, feel free to message me on Instagram at WATERFRED1. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching once more. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you've not, because we are only here to learn how to make money, how to make progress. See you in the next one. Peace out.